Hello everyone, welcome back to GHL Unlocked. Today I'm going to show you how to create an automation email in Gohighlevel step by step. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Gohighlevel account, your sub account, then scroll down on the left side panel here to automation. And in workflows here, select create workflow and start from scratch. And rename your workflow. Now select add new trigger. This trigger is what starts the automation. So if you wanted this workflow to run whenever a form is submitted, you would select form submitted. You can pick whatever trigger you want. I'm going to choose this and I'm going to add filter, then click on this drop down menu and select form is, and now I'm going to select the form I want this workflow to run for so that the workflow doesn't get triggered whenever any form is submitted but this specific form. Now select save trigger and click on this plus icon here to select the action, which in our case is going to be to send an email. So select send email and enter your name and the email address you want this to be sent from. Now enter the subject and type in the message. Now if you want this mail to be personalized for your contacts, what you would do is enter this contacts.first name here. I'm going to leave it on the screen. So this will simply enter your contact's first name. Once you've made all the changes you want to this email, simply click save action. And once you're done, toggle this from draft to publish and click save. Now make sure you test this workflow out to make sure everything works properly. And that's it. That's how to create an email automation in Gohighlevel step by step. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments below. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.